Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mohsin Khan and my colleague name is Salman Ijaz. Today our topic is sprayed concrete. In this lecture, we will present the following: introduction to sprayed concrete, history of sprayed concrete, types of sprayed concrete, advantages of sprayed concrete, and application of sprayed concrete. Now we will first discuss the introduction of sprayed concrete. Sprayed concrete is the method by which concrete is sprayed into place rather than using conventionally pouring into formwork method. Sprayed concrete is a method of applying concrete that is generally self-supporting without the need of formwork, or sometimes we use a little formwork. The strength we gain through sprayed concrete is high. Our early strength we gain is high. There are two important terms in sprayed concrete. Number one is shotcrete and number two is gunite. A term shotcrete refers to wet mix while dry mix concrete is said to be gunite. In this picture we can see that person spraying concrete into wall while this yellow pipe is connected which are using to supply water. History of short concrete. Short concrete, shotcrete was invented in 1907 by American taxidermist. Taxidermist is a person whose job is to prepare the skins of dead animals and birds and fill them with a special material to make them look as if they are alive. Carl Eclair to repair the crumbling facade. Crumbling means broken or falling apart into small fragments. And facade means front portion of a building. Of the Field Columbian Museum in Chicago, which is present in United States. He used the method of blowing dry material out of a hose with compressed air, injecting water at the nozzle as it was released. Hose mean uh, plastic pipe or rubber pipe we use for watering purposes or we can use for sprayed concrete. Shotcrete was commercially developed after the Second World War in 1950s, but was not in general use until the 1970s. History of shotcrete. 1919 In 1919, Nozzleman. Uh, in this picture, we can see that in 1919, Nozzleman is spraying a concrete. There are essentially three methods of applications: the dry process, wet process, and robotic. All the process use high velocity air to propel. Number one, dry process. Spray concrete, it is also known as gunite. In this process, predetermined dry mix of cement and aggregate is propelled through a spraying nozzle where a finely atomized spray of water is added to this stream of materials to hydrate the cement. Previously, we saw in this picture that pipe is connected for water supply. In this picture, we can clearly see that um, they are using gunite process. Number second, wet process spray concrete. A low slump concrete mix is pumped with a concrete pump to the end of the pipeline where a special shotcrete nozzle is attached. That nozzle, that shotcrete nozzle introduces compressed air to the concrete. This compressed air typically comes from a 165 to 185 CFM air compressor sold separately. The addition of the compressed air adds velocity to the concrete, so it sprays out of the nozzle. This velocity combined with the low slump of the shotcrete mix allows the concrete to be sprayed on slopes, vertical walls, and overheads. There are some advantages of wet process which are little or no formwork is required. Number two is cost-effective method for placing concrete, and number third is ideal for irregular surface applications, allow easy material handling in hard-to-reach areas. While there are few advantages of wet process is as well, the rainwater washes the cement away from the sandy surface, or it may saturate and trigger slouching or breaking. A strong wind will separate the material between the nozzle. The purpose of the is to reduce energy. This requires expert and skilled laborers and detailed technical information. Number third type is robotics. Recent development in robotic technology and manufacturing industry has led to the introduction of robotic concrete spraying machines, which come as either stand-alone nozzle manipulators or fully integrated pump and nozzle units. Such technology required no manual handling of hoses, leading to increased productivity. In this picture, we can see that robots are spraying concrete on different walls. In this picture also we can see that robotic machine is spraying or pouring concrete into wall without using a formwork. This is my topics. The remaining topics will present my colleague Salman Ijaz.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student and classmates. I am Salman Ijaz, and now I am going to present the remaining slides. Why should we use spread concrete? We should use spread concrete for to gain high strength, low permeability, and high durability. Reduction in formwork, saving time and money is also advantages of spread concrete over conventional method of pouring concrete into formwork. The spread concrete gain high early strength, low water and cement ratio, good adhesion and bond strength. The ability of spread concrete to convey material over 20 meter to point of application. There are many application and uses of spread concrete, which are given below. Concrete repair, swimming pool construction, tunnel construction, parking garage repair and concrete building repair, retaining wall construction, artificial rock construction, concrete wall construction, zoo construction, slope stabilization, concrete dome construction, straw ball construction, V-ditch construction and water containment, canal lining and relining. Concrete repair. We can see in this picture the man is using spread concrete for repair the file to repair the pile. The spread concrete is used wisely in the repair of structure because of its ease of application in situation where it is virtually impossible to use formwork to recast and because it can be applied in thin layers, maintaining good bond to the existing material. Shotcrete lining. Shotcrete lining is constructed by applying cement through air to the irrigation canal surface. Cement mortar does not contain core segregate and therefore proportion of cement pour is higher in shotcrete mix than in concrete lining. These are the men which are using spread concrete in the lining canals. We can see in this picture. Shotcrete retaining walls. Shotcrete retaining walls comprise a special mix of high-strength concrete being spread at high velocity using compressed air. Shotcrete has huge structural and time-saving benefits. You can see in this picture, the man is using spread concrete in the retaining walls. Swimming pool, spread concrete. Either is granite and shotcrete is one of the most popular choice for luxury pool. The most important thing about either material is that it is blown by compressed air into the structure at a high pressure. This means that the building method is potentially much quicker than pouring concrete into a shutter pump. Thank you.